Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation, Leos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Page of Fire, Nine of Air, and Ace of Air. So, in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is really cheerful, confident about your skills and talents, and you have that inner strength, clear thinking, and clear ideas, and you have huge dreams for your future, for this relationship or for your work, maybe ambitions, and you are cheerful moving forward in your life, guys. Maybe you have some opportunities coming your way, so you are cheerful about that, confident about the way things will go, and happy. And you may see some kind of coincidences, maybe just when you were planning to go meet someone, this person themselves may come, or when you are just wishing for something, it may come and reach you. So some kind of coincidences you may see today, and that just means that there are huge positive changes happening, some kind of transformation at work, and the reason for these changes are a destiny or fate or the universe, whatever you call it, guys. So some positive changes for your own good, that is what is happening today, and you are happy for the way things are going in your situation, guys, and you want to change the way you are today, guys, Leos. Maybe you were not so cheerful and not so confident, but today you felt that you lack the strength and determination, but today there is some kind of an inspiration in your heart. You feel really strong, cheerful about yourself, about the way things are going in your life. And in this relationship, you want to change something, guys. You want to change the way things are. Maybe you are simply thinking about the negative aspects of this person, negative characteristics. So whatever was not working, when you concentrate too much on the negative energy, that is what you are going to remember about this person, about this relationship. So you want to change the way you are, maybe give up these negativity and think of the positive things you both have, the good times you both share together. So you want to give up everything that is not working, and you want to have hopes and faith for this relationship, expecting some good news or positive changes in this relationship, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card, Leo, and it is Seven of Air. So with this card, it just means that maybe your ideas and vision is different from this person. So you have your own ideas, your rules. This person has their own rules and ideas, and they want to be independent, maybe living life on their own terms. That may be the reason for troubles, or uh, maybe they don't want to adjust to you for some reason, maybe, or they are not willing to change their ways. So it may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them. So we saw that you are someone trying to change or trying to give up all that negativity. Maybe this person is not willing to change themselves for you or for this love. So this energy, it may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you guys. And Leo's diplomacy in your connection, that is what is going to help you today. So if this is your energy, maybe you don't want to change yourself, you are not willing to be flexible with this person. If you want a positive, meaningful relationship, Leos, you need to be really diplomatic in this relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we picked one card, and it is Messenger of Earth. So it just means that you are someone really practical, having a lot of responsibility. So maybe in this relationship today, you know what will work, and you're someone who goes that distance. So maybe some difficulties you see in your life, but you are not someone to lose heart and give up easily. So you have that grit and patience. That is what is going to take you towards success very soon, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Leos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Leos, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstance, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have Cosmic Heart. So with this card, guys, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you have faced a lot of trials, a lot of difficulties, struggles, and you're trying to understand the reason for things going in a particular way, or the reason for maybe you're resisting something, resisting some changes or some circumstances. But whatever it is you do, maybe you feel really uncomfortable today, but you need to understand that life is unfolding just as it should. Maybe whether you understand it or not, whether you accept it or not. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So in your circumstances today, you need some clarity or some kind of understanding, and you are attempting to hold on to things you don't want to lose, maybe, and you don't want to let go, and you don't want to change yourself. Maybe your circumstances are pushing you towards some changes, and you feel that you cannot handle those changes, or handle a change in your the way you are, or in your situation. So you are resisting some change happening to you or happening to your circumstances. But you need to understand that you don't need to know what is going on, guys. Maybe sometimes life will unfold some circumstances, some things we may not understand, but it will be for our own good. So universe is aligning some changes for you today in your life, guys, maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, whatever it is, and it is that divine destiny that is being delivered to you, whether you like it or not, or whether you understand it or not. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, we have why. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in our life, in this relationship, we often we often go through certain circumstances. We often engage in our relationships. Maybe our feelings are not always logical. Maybe now you need to try to understand whether these feelings are triggered by something of the past. Maybe what is the motivation behind this behavior of yours. You need to ask yourself why you are feeling this way, or why you said certain things to this person. So you need to spend time in introspection, thinking about what needs to be done. Listen to the messages from your intuition deep down within you. What does it tell about yourself? So life is a deep understanding of our needs and how to get them, guys. So we need to uncover deep down in our heart. We will know why we are expecting certain things, or why we are behaving in such a way. So these powerful questions we can ask ourselves and our partner today. So that is going to uncover the answers. What is the true intentions we have in our situation? If it is true love we have towards this person, that is the reason for our behavior or for our words. We can go ahead. But if the answer is something of the past, maybe we want to say some things to this person, some unresolved issues we have with our past person, and we just take it out on this person we are with. So if that is the case, that is the motive behind this relationship, we must think again whether we need this connection. So we need to be clear about the motives we have today towards this person, towards this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.